Hey Dai, kung nasa Cubao ka, may good news ako para sa'yo. One of the largest Chinese lifestyle retail brand store is here in the Philippines. KKV Store, located at Upper Ground B at Gateway Mall 2, Cubao. Kung fan ka ng mga skincare, makeup, lifestyle finds, or kahit anong mga super cute na essentials, girl, ito na ang happy place mo. From different kinds of masasarap na pagkain that had me shooked sa sobrang dami. Different essentials na talagang literal na maa-add to cart mo. Maganda rin yung vibe mo sa loob. Malinis, aesthetic, and super IG or TikTok worthy ang bawat sulok. Like, imagine this, isang shopping day na hindi lang sulit budget, kundi sobrang saya kasi lahat ng kailangan mo nasa isang lugar lang. And this is a perfect bonding spot with your bestie, picture taking, window shopping, at syempre, yung biglang shopping haul na hindi mo mapipigilan. Grabe talaga. Like, they have so many collection na pwede mong pagpilian. To plushies na napaka-cute at hindi ko alam kung alin dyan yung pipiliin ko kasi ang cute nila lahat. To stationaries na sobrang kailangan mo talaga and different designs, different stickers na pwede mong pagpilian din. And as I mentioned, na kung naghahanap ka ng perfect spot na kung saan pwede ka mag-window shopping at i-live ang main girl fantasy dream mo, ay girl, kung kasi pumunta ka na dito because this is going to be worth it. This is so very worth it na puntahan kasi lahat na makikita mo dito sobrang cute. Like, grabe talaga. Sobrang aesthetic nila and very minimalist. As you can see nga, ayan, yun yung mga pinamili ko. And guys, take note, mahaba ang pila. Opo. As you can see there as well, na ayan lahat ng mga pinamili ko, inisa-isa na siyang scan. And you'll see na sobrang dami. So is this Chloe recommended? Yes, this is Chloe recommended.